No, not yet.
Do a big bite. Use your front teeth. Any luck?
No.
Are you going to eat your tooth?
No.
Okay, let me see if your tooth is in your mouth still. Yeah, it's still there. Do it again.
No.
Why? Daddy's afraid you're going to lose your tooth.
I don't want to hurt.
Arr. Good job. Are you using your tooth to get that apple?
Mm-hmm.
You are? I'm so worried.
This one looks like a good spot.
Uh-huh. You better not eat your tooth.